Hello, my name is Joey, and I'm from the Arizona State University Economics Tutoring Center, and this is part 2 on how to derive an OLS estimation. So this is part 2 of the video. So from part 1, we got this function, which is just the derivation of beta naught hat, and so this is going to be necessary in order to derive what beta 1 is. So if you don't remember how we got this, please go check out our part 1. So first, what we're going to do is with this population function, we need to somehow put this in terms of u in order to use our rule that the expected value of x in terms of u is equal to 0. So what I'm going to do is isolate u by subtracting beta naught and beta 1 x1 from both sides. So I'll just put this right over here. So y equals beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus u, subtracting beta naught and beta 1 x1 from both sides. What this will give me is y minus beta naught minus beta 1 x1 is equal to u. And so now I can just put this whole function into our rule of the expected value. So the expected value of x in terms of y minus b naught minus beta 1 x1 is equal to 0. So now what we will do, as we did in our last video, is put the expected value into terms of summation. So the expected value will be 1n times the summation from I equals 1 to infinity of xi minus yi minus beta naught hat minus beta 1 hat xi. And so now from this step, this is where we use the derivation of beta naught hat. So I'm going to take this entire function and just place this right here. So I get 1n times the summation of I equals 1 to the infinity of xi times yi minus y bar minus beta 1 x bar, and then minus beta 1 hat xi. So then distribute the negative to all the sides in here, and I will get 1 of the summation, 1 over n times the summation from I equals 1 to infinity times xi to yi minus y bar plus beta 1 hat x bar minus beta 1 hat xi. So then what I will do is I am just going to go and combine my like terms. It's just going to make my whole life easier. So I see a yi minus y bar, and what I will do is just put parentheses in there to go and help me out. And then I see this beta 1 hat multiplied by 2 things. And so what I will do is I will factor this out, which I will show in the next step. So from here, I will move this over here. So I'll get 1 over n times the summation of I equals 1 to infinity times xi times yi minus y bar. That's another parenthesis. And then plus, or beta 1 hat times x bar minus xi. I can distribute my xi and my summation symbol over to all of these different terms. So I get 1n times the summation of xi times yi minus y bar plus 1n summation of xi beta 1 hat x bar minus xi. And so this is all going to be equal to 0. So what I need to do is I need to isolate my beta 1. So in order to do that, I will subtract it. I will subtract this whole term from both sides. So it'll be 1n times the summation of xi yi minus y bar is equal to 1 over n times the summation of xi beta 1 hat xi minus x bar. So the tricky property here is when we're subtracting this from both sides, we can get rid of the negative just by flipping these two terms that are in here. That's like a lot more complicated math than this video or your professors will expect from you. So that's just kind of the rule. So then what we need to do is just divide 1 over n times the summation of xi times xi minus x bar from both sides. And then that will cancel out all of these terms with our beta 1. So we'll get our beta 1 hat is equal to the summation of xi yi minus y bar over the summation of xi times xi minus x bar. And so this is the derivation of your beta 1 hat OLS estimator. So if you're using any type of statistical software such as Stata or R, what the program will do is it'll perform this function, and that is how you get your beta 1 estimate. So this is how we derive a beta 1 estimate for OLS estimators. Please go check part 1 of the video just to see how we did the first part. If you need any more help with economics, please come look at our other tutoring videos. And then if you need help with math, we also have a math section on our tutoring center playlist. So please go and check that out. If you need help, please come see us in person at the ASU Economics Tutoring Center. Cool. Thank you.